Are you an entrepreneur that has been trying to get approved for an apartment, a new car, a new mortgage, or a new credit card? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can legally put yourself on payroll, create your own proof of income, how you can use your current credit cards to fund your payroll, and also tell you about how you can make some extra money by sharing some of the same information that I share with you in today's video with other entrepreneurs like yourself. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications. So as you may already know, when you're trying to apply for a new home or get any type of funding, whether it be for personal or business purposes, a lot of the times they may ask you for proof of income. If you put that you are a business owner or that you're self-employed on a credit card application or an application for a mortgage or an apartment, they will most likely ask you for 2 years of tax returns. This may vary from product to product, especially if you're trying to get a business loan or a business line of credit. Sometimes it can be different, but to be honest, most entrepreneurs don't like to provide 2 years worth of tax returns because of all of the write-offs most entrepreneurs use to help them minimize their tax liabilities. These write-offs can make your net profit or your take-home pay look low because of all of the tax write-offs and expenses that you put on your tax filings. So to fix this problem, you can simply put yourself on payroll and hire yourself as an employee so that you can create your own pay stubs as proof of income instead of always having to provide 2 years worth of tax returns. So you can make sure that you pay yourself a reasonable salary, so you can choose to pay yourself weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. It's up to you because after all, you're still the company's owner, you're still the boss, and you still call all the shots. So you will need to make sure you have a registered LLC before doing this. If you plan on making more than $50,000 per year, you want to consider an S Corp instead. Choosing to elect your LLC as an S Corp can have massive tax benefits by splitting up your net income into salary and distributions. You can minimize the self-employment taxes you would otherwise pay, potentially saving thousands per year. Payroll plays a critical part in your financial organization. It's essential to pay yourself a fixed salary as if you were a W-2 employee. You actually are going to be a W-2 employee of your company if you hire yourself under your company, if you select a S Corp and select to pay yourself as a W-2 employee. So this will make things a lot simpler when you are applying for financial products. So what company do I recommend for payroll? I recommend ADP for payroll because they are one of the top payroll providers in the United States. They offer a lot of benefits for small business owners. One of the major benefits is they have the ability to pay your payroll with business credit cards or personal credit cards. So we are partnered with ADP. There will be a link down in the description box below if you want to get set up with payroll and be able to put yourself on payroll. They will help you get set up with the entire process. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and put in your information, fill this form out, and click on Contact Me. And then someone will contact you to help you with getting set up with the entire process. So again, link will be in the description box below, also in the pinned comment. So really quickly, I want to go over some of the major benefits of ADP. They really are a all-in-one business solution. They serve over 1 million businesses with their payroll and tax support. So of course, they offer the payroll for small and mid-sized businesses. And with this, they're going to make sure that you are compliant with all the rules and regulations. They also offer the time and attendance features so you can manage your labor costs and compliance with that as well. And then they also can help you with recruiting and hiring, as well as insurance for your business, retirement plans, benefits for your employees if you ever hire additional employees, HR services, other compliance services as well, because it's not just going to be the payroll compliance. You got health compliance, you got business tax compliance, wage payments, and all of these different things that you got to keep up with as a business owner, but ADP helps with that. They also integrate with a lot of different softwares. They integrate with the major accounting softwares, ERPs, also time and attendance softwares, recruiting and onboarding softwares, and more. Now let's get into making the extra money. So if you would like to share some of the same information that I share with you in this video and help other entrepreneurs get set up with payroll and teach them how they can actually use their business credit cards to fund their payroll, create pay stubs for themselves, and more, you can sign up as a partner with ADP. There's going to be a link down in the description box below for you to sign up for ADP. All you will do is fill in that same box that I showed you earlier in the video. They will contact you and you can mention signing up as a partner as well. You can get paid up to $1,000 per referral.